I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on 3 dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Rapid Mail. Here, give the meaningful integration name as you want. To get username and password, open your Rapid Mail and click on Profile. Then click API. Click Add a new API user. Here give the description. Click on Save. Here is the username and password. Now copy the username and password and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization successful. Click Next. Select Recipient List from the drop-down. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition must, then the data you will send to Rapid Mail. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now also check your Rapid Mail recipient. Here is the data that came into Rapid Mail through the integration. Thanks for watching.